All right, hello, everybody. All right, so I've been looking at this for a few minutes. We had a fairly strong push down, a fairly decent retracement to the upside. The anticipations are for this to continue down. And I'm just looking for the right spot, but I'm not sure. This may give a decent pushback before it goes down. Okay. This is pulling back. This still has great potential to go to the downside. I'm going to give this a shot here. So we're back above these areas. Pull this down here just in case it does decide to take off. It's got some good potential to run if it does. I'd really not love for this to pull back, but hey, if it does, okay, sirrah, sirrah. Hey, there's definitely been a slowdown with a little bit of retracement divergence. But this has a lot of potential to continue down after such a strong push, a weak retracement. Nice little pullback into the areas. Let's watch how this behaves right here. I may be hitting the close button. Ooh. There we go. First one out. What I need to see, this is way down here. I need to pull it up for a moment so I can, oh, here we go. I'm just going to go with a break even here. I'm going to pull this down here. I'm not really anticipating this to push all the way down. It's showing me a bit of weakness at the moment. Slowing down. Yeah, no, still picking up the pace here. I'm going to start following my risk pretty closely, but it's going to push past this area. Oh, yeah. Okay. I think I may be closing out this trade very shortly. Let's look and just see if this is going to push down a little bit more. I'd like to see a little bit of divergence or something to slow it down. My risk is not in the best of places. It could really come back, hit this, and continue down. Pushes down from here. My risk is going 2 ticks behind this area. Heck, I might go ahead and take my exit. Ooh, it pulled back so fast. We're just sitting at a break even for this. Not loving this. This pullback is pretty intense. All right, so I'll let that pull back a whole 3 points, which normally I'd see a little bit more of a signal that this was going to stop pushing in this direction. I didn't see that. I also knew that my risk was not in the best of places, being that it was sitting at this area. But hey, them's the breaks, right? It pulled back really quick. All right, it gave a really decent pushback. Wow, I'm just looking at my daily chart. I don't even know where these arrows are. Okay, here's the pullback. Missed the entry. Let's see if it gives us another opportunity. Current price is $49.75. We can't just hop in here. It's gonna have to pull back like so. All right, looking at my 610. Oh yeah. Let's get in here. There we go. We'll be right back above this little spot. Now, I don't know how much potential this actually has, but it's a very weak pullback in the MACDs. There we go. Okay, it's not pushing through here. Possible head and shoulders. Oh yeah. I'm gonna move up behind this little spot right here. Push through at this point. I'm still getting hopeful and pulling this puppy down. Not getting the follow through here that we want to see. I am hovering over a close button, which may get utilized very soon. Just looking at the way these bars are forming. This pops up, I'm out. 100 ticks left. No reason to take any kind of loss on this puppy. And you can see I'm going to go ahead and take an exit. Hitting the close button, which may not have got me out a little below a break even. I'm struggling with my second contract today for some reason. Let that pull back too far. They're pretty big swings though, really. I'm gonna have a short prepared just because everything is below. Just not sure. I think more than anything, it's the way my 10-946 looks at this moment. But until just a few seconds ago, this MACD was attempting to pop the top Bollinger Band, which can really give us some indications of more down. Man, I am looking at this puppy. Look at this. Look at this huge drop. Guys, this is something we've noticed for quite some time now. Struggle, struggle, struggle up, huge drop. Struggle, struggle, struggle up, big, decent drop. Struggle up, big drop. Look at all of this struggle to the upside. And in one bar, we have basically reverted back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 days ago, all of the strength that we did to the upside, this 50 points here, is back. It's reset. All right, so I'm waiting for a short to happen here, and I'm pretty sure it's about to take off right now as I was on the phone with my mother. Who lost her wedding ring last night, and we had to put out a major manhunt and found it. So, yeah, that was a good spot. And there are some signals showing us that this is going to continue down for a little bit. I'm watching right in here in particular to see the way this is going to behave to everything. Looking for early signs of slowdowns on the lower tick charts. The highest tick charts aren't exactly taking off, pushing through. I'm going to give this a few more minutes, and then I'm going to probably go ahead and call it a day. Taking 2 trades. Good morning. I heard you coming down minutes ago. Taking 2 trades. The second contract didn't really take a huge bite out of anything, but
No, you didn't hear me come down minutes ago.
I heard you creaking down on your way down.
How long ago?
I don't know. I just could hear it. I knew you were on your way. How you feeling this morning? Well, it's 9:30 already. You need to get to work. All right. I think I'm going to call this a day. This is definitely giving the signals of taking off to the downside. It may just work its way down slowly on the lower tick charts and look like one big push on the higher. Well, otherwise, if there's questions, I mean, it gave a lot of signals that this was pushing down. It was just slowly getting there. So now we just watch and wait and take the signals in the proper direction. So, if y'all got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, catch y'all on the profitable side.